The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Oops, wrong. There we go. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Tuesday. Hope everyone had a great night. We're ready for a great day. Morning, Ahmed. Kevin, good to see you. Let me get my music started here. We'll be good. Hey, Jay Cook, how you doing? Been a while. Okay, what was I doing? Oh yeah, let's look at the markets overnight, shall we? Let me just send a message on Discord and we're good to go. Okay, so overnight, not much moving. ES high 44.54, looks like our low was recently 44.36. About 18 points of range. NQ 147 for a high, 0.68 for a low, so about 80 points in range. Kappa, been very choppy all night, which is why you see a lot of green and red lines there. Lines everywhere. There's lines. Only about 80 ticks of range. Ah, well, glad to see you said hello. Gold dropping. About 9 points of range. Ultra bond dropping. About a little less than a point in range. Crude oil rising. About 90 ticks of range. Natural gas falling. Bitcoin still hanging around 26,000 just underneath of it. So that's where we sit standing. Whatever body posture you're choosing to take this morning. So I'm already down. I'm down $73 because I'm an idiot. I took this short off this purple candle. You can see it popped up here, came back down, and then re-popped up. And I got out before I should have. You see, if I had done this right, my stop originally was there. Top of this candle. Boom. Something around there. And I've been shooting for about something like that. I don't think that stops right, but I got in it. Let's adjust it to exactly what it would have been. I was in at 78.75. So there. Looks like I got a little slippage. And then the stop was 89.5. So 2 to 1 would have been about there. So we haven't hit that yet, but you can see I could have, it got close. I could have got out there for a profit. Instead, I took this little loss on 5 micros. Yeah. We'll get it back. You can see it still would be in profit now if I was still in that trade. But live and learn. News this morning. We had the JOLTS report. That comes up at 10 o'clock. At 9 o'clock, U.S. Case Shiller, U.S. House Price Index, and an ECB speaker. Also at 10 o'clock, U.S. CV Consumer Confidence. So how's everybody doing today so far? That was a nice little pop on copper, on crude. So it never would have went to my profit target, at least not yet. It looks like it wants to pop up now. So, I can't, if I totally stuck to my, thing, it would have ended up with the same result. It hasn't got to the point where it would have stopped me out yet, but it's getting close. This is a potential trigger candle here. Getting back above that 20 line. Small candle though, only 3 points. We'll see how this ends. Real to quickly take my supplements. I forgot to take with breakfast. I imagine you've been trading it this morning, or afternoon, or whatever time it is there for you. "20 seconds on this candle. No, not in a trade. This was the trade I jumped in that stopped out on too early. I'm thinking about getting in on this trade right now, though. Oh crap. I actually jumped in with 10 micros, which equals a mini. I pressed the button twice. I'll just roll with that. Get rid of this. only a 4.5 point stop. Not a big stop, so we'll go with that. It should have actually been a mini anyway at that little bit of a stop. Oh, wait a minute. I have that. No, I have that right. I accidentally pressed the button twice. I wonder if this is going to be a bad day. Oh, there we go. Hoping it'll pop up at least some here so I could maybe get out of 5 of them. It looks like I'm going to get stopped out here too. Oh. Yep. All right, so not a good start to my day. Down $188. So we'll see where we go. Yeah. Hey, Philip, how you doing? Every time I see Philip's name, I check the Russell. So I possibly should have taken that short there. Looks like it's so far been good. We'll see. It's kind of choppy. I'm doing all right, Philip. Popping back up, blue candle. We might try long again here. Maybe. Just kind of watching. No 8:30 news catalyst today. First news of any type is at 9. I'm sorry, 10. No, 9. Yeah, 9. And the main one's at 10. Ooh, just got splatted back down there. Coming back down, so the purple candle is working. It just wasn't back below the 20, so I was kind of hesitant on it. 82 down to 75 so far. Right, kind of choppy though. Looking like it's pushing down. So let's see. Let's mark this one out as well. Boom, boom, boom. Would only been about a 6-point risk. Oh, but that already would have went 1.2. Of course it did. Would even just went 10 points. There you go. So, so now we watch. 0 for 2 so far this morning. Hey John, how you doing? Hey, JC. Nice. I've made 2 stupid trades so far this morning. And then didn't take that one that I should have. Hey, Robin, how you doing? Excuse me 1 second. I'm back. I'm doing all right. Green is green, John. Green is green. Continuing to fall. We are at low of day on everything and falling. That was an idiot for not taking that purple candle. Boom. Continuing to fall. Yep, we're getting jolted today. Oh, let's see where we go. Crude. Wow, look at gold just dying. High for gold was here last night, pulled back, consolidated, and then whoosh. Ultra bond at its open popped up a little bit. Copper's also kind of dying. Back down to its daily low, trying to break. Crude oil just kind of sitting there. Natural gas pushing up. Hey, Crypticon, how you doing? trade yet today? Down to 15,062. And falling fast. Not afraid of falling, but I hate it on the ground. The big news? Apex doesn't seem to be running anything more than a 50% sale from now till the end of the month. So that means MightyOx is the best game in town. Their intraday and end of day drawdown accounts are on sale. 25K just 42 bucks. 50K $48, $64 for the 100K. Again, end of day drawdown accounts for just 48 bucks. Grab them while they're hot. Use code MOT25, MOT50, or MOT100 with the link posted by Nightbot or in the video description below. Get funded. Invest in yourself. Nice. Glad to hear that, Crypt. We're down to 15,054, well extended below the bands. ES down to 44.34, and the Dow's down to 34,532. This might be a bottom. We'll see. Let's look at prior day. Yesterday's low. Yesterday's low is 983, so we got a ways to go for that. We already are. We topped yesterday's high during Asia, so where we go from here? Still coming down. Totally outside the bands on this candle. We see the bounce. 2 minutes ago. We'll see where it does. Oh, back down. It seems like it's struggling at 15,050. Market likes those evens and even and round numbers. ES sitting at 44.34. Gold's trying to bounce a little bit. Bouncing baby gold. Ultra bond new low. So is that a new indicator of yours? Is that your main strategy now, Crypticon, or what is your strategy? All right. I'll be hoping that you don't need plastic surgery there, JC. Trying to pop up here. Well, took a long there on my earn to trade account. Hey, Sid. How's it going? Still prepping for a hurricane? Good. Oh, all right, Sid, I see you've made your way to Discord. Gonna close that trade out for a small gain. I think we're gonna come back down. It's like a $55 trade. Not even. Like a $35 trade. So, see where it goes from here. Yep, trying to come back down. These little reversal trades often will go 2 candles and then possibly go down, and that wick was bigger than that body. That's why I got out. Interesting. ES gave a much better pattern of what I was looking for, as did he did, but I doubt. Actually, the NQ did on the 5 minute as well. Let's see what it does. Market's trying to head up now. Trying to head on up because it's late. It's late. Uh, 79.40. New low day there on copper. Checking on the checking on JC's face. Yeah, never got down to fill you, huh, JC? That right there is a trigger candle for me. Go back up. Here, down here at this level, 15,062. Bonds, Barry bonds. Are you down with ICT? Yeah, you know me. 15,060. We're not really doing anything. Do you have a small news catalyst coming up at the top of the hour? We're over 45 minutes from the bell. Copper continues to fall. Gold continues to fall. Oh, it's trying to bounce a little bit. Rising up. So I should have stayed in that trade on earn the trade. This was good. Nice rise out of the bands is usually good. Let's see here if I had done a regular trade on it, looking for that 1.2. It's just about, well, a couple points away yet. Let's see what she does. There we go. So that would have got target there. IMO is, in my opinion. Yeah. So nice rise up here. So see how he came down? Green candle total, almost totally outside of the bands. Back up. I should have held. I should have held. But alas, I did not. Anywho, so we'll wait for our next trade. But another great place to learn bond trading from, Sid. Canadian Futures Trader has a free course up on his website. And he is an awesome bonds trader. It's the only thing he trades. Reminder, folks, this coming Friday, September 1st, is my 2-year stream anniversary. Streaming 2 years now. You have a giveaway going from Blue Sky for a 25K account. If you haven't entered that yet, Nightbot's been posting the link. Scroll up a little bit, links there. And you might even see my face on Friday. I've only ever shown my face on stream 2 other times. First time was the last year on the 1-year stream anniversary. Entering is really easy. Ooh, see this big purple candle coming back down here? I'm interested. He may not know how to find you on Discord. He's still new to Discord. That purple candle didn't end up sustaining. So anyway, real quickity quick. Quickity quick. This is the give me a second. No Bull Investing is his name on Discord. Alright, good luck with that, John. So real quick here. This is what I want. This is the entry for the 25K Blue Sky evaluation account giveaway. All you gotta do is you can get an entry for each one of these things. Visit me on YouTube, which you're already doing, but you can still get an entry from it even if you've already done it. Follow me on Twitter, even if you don't view the tweet on Twitter. Retweet a tweet on Twitter. Of course, if you don't have a Twitter account, you can still view the tweet. You just can't do the others. Visit MightyOxTrading on Facebook. Visit MightyOxTrading on Instagram. Visit the Blue Sky Trading Company, and then you can get a bonus entry if you've done at least one of these. So you can get up to 8 entries, and the Visit the Blue Sky and the daily bonus entry are things you can actually do them each day if you want. So look in the welcome area. You can see he just posted there. JC. Or here, how about this? I'll do this. This is easier, general chat. I'm going to just tag you both. There you go. Just tagged you both in general. Nice big blue candle, so pulled back, now coming up, getting also above the 20 line. We are 10 minutes away from the top of the hour. We're going to take this long if it stays. How big is this candle? About 10 points right now. So we're going to go 5 micros. Now we'll go 4 micros. We'll go 4 micros. Oh, did not clear that 20, but there, we'll go long. 4 micros. Stop about 10 points. Target about 12. Target right there on that band. Let's put it out more perfectly. Boom, boom. Yeah, it's about perfect. Like maybe off by a tick. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, so I can come down one more tick for the target. There. See if we get there. Blue candles on the 5 on the ES and the Dow making me feel good right now. Even though it's kind of hemming and hawing here. Yeah. Pulls back to my entry. Yeah, this might be the day I can't do anything right with my strategy. Yesterday was very good. Today seems to all be crap. This 3-minute candle closes in 15 seconds. Yep, seemed to bounce off that 20 EMA coming back down. That was rude. Huh? Trying to rise back up. Yep, getting beaten back down. Five minutes till the top of the hour. There we go. Coming back toward my entry. Get back above that 20 EMA on the 5. That's that light blue line that you see there. Bouncing on it again. Still struggling with it. Nice, yeah. Look at that nice little rise up there on gold. Ultravion's still falling though. 6E coming back down, maybe giving JC another shot at that. Nice purple candle right there. Oh, yeah, we do have news in 2 minutes, don't we? That's not good. News in a couple minutes. Case Shiller and New Home something. See if what that does. We'll hold the trade and see what happens. The overall trend is down, and I'm going against trend, which is kind of stupid now that I look at it as when I pull back and look at it. But we'll see. News in 5 seconds. Shouldn't be a huge news pop here. It shouldn't be huge. I didn't say it shouldn't be any. Market doesn't care. Oh, and down. Looked like it wanted to pop up there for a second, but it continues to get beaten down. And that blue candle, I shouldn't have taken it. The more I look at it, and I should have taken the gift when it came back up to my entry. Now it's starting to come back up again. So if it gets back up to my entry, I might just get out of this trade and work to fight another one. Hey, Phoenix, how you doing? Very choppy. Well, almost back to my entry. Fortunately, when I see it get almost back to my entry, I thought, well, hey, we got momentum coming up. So instead of thinking of getting out, then I start saying, hey, well, maybe it'll go my way after all. Oh, see again, it gave me that gift and I didn't take it. It's still fighting here. Right now, 15,070. Up here it comes. I struggle to get back below 65 though. It's about where we're at now. It's hit 65 twice since I've been in this trade. It looks like it's got a bit more steam to it right now. There's the stop. All right. Down to 79 on the day. Well, I mean, it's popped back up after stopping me out. We'll see where it goes from here. But this has been Chop City here last half hour or so. Chop City, USA. Hey, look at that blue candle back up. So it came down, stopped me out, went another point, and then look at that strong candle back up. Finished up 118 in blue sky yesterday, I believe it was. Let me take a gander. I finished up 140 yesterday. I'm going back and forth on it. I mean, I was up 140 yesterday and 120 the day before, but now I just gave back those 2 days. So, see now we have another blue candle rising up here. So it stopped me out and I decided to go. Morning ace. Right now I'm about 2,600 away from 3,000. Just going up and down, the same stagnant area I have been. Strong candle here. Right before the top of the, oh no, it is after the top of the, right before the bell. 22 minutes till the bell. So we're long once again. Three micros this time. Question whether we're going to get up to 1-to-1, but we'll see. Alright. There we go. Looks like the target's almost perfect. There we go. Coming right back down, of course. Wow. Absolutely nothing today. Nothing, nothing, nothing. So, let's go. You had to use the term sand, huh, RJ? Or stop. Chop deluxe with cheese. There. There we go. There's our stop. Call a tow truck ace. Russell, not doing much. Crude oil at its open came down. Gold sideways now. Any way to force him out of the neighborhood? JC, I see it got down to your level. Did you take a trade? I should have just been trading the 6E today. This is moving beautifully. Not that I've ever traded 6. Well, I've had once or twice in my life. Uh, think like that extreme ace. That's a little disturbing. Okay, so I'm trying to figure out what word that was that RJ just typed. If he's, I think, I'm trying to figure if he's taking a shower, if he's putting someone's shoes on, so he's a shoer. Well, if you plan on doing that, Ace, let me know so I can like take this video off of YouTube so there's no evidence. 10 minutes till the bell, popping back up, big blue candle. I'm not falling for it. I fell for two, and the both didn't work. No, this is the one that's probably going to work, honestly. I see it up, down, I think, but we're going to stay out to after the bell. So the risk management part is working today. You know, I've taken 4 losing trades, but I'm only down 370. So it's less than $100 a trade. So at least that's working. Probably going to be a red day, but if I can get a win or two after the bell, it could be a small red day. Watch this go now. One of those cases of at first you don't succeed, try again, and I didn't try again. You can see this candle was a 12 and a quarter point stop. So that means we've been shooting for about 15 points. Let's see where it gets to. We need to get up to 15,090. We are about 7 minutes to the bell. Remember, we do have news at the top of the hour. And pulling back, so it got up to 82, pulled back again, hit that band. Shouldn't hit bands. Tubas fly everywhere. Dent your car. Have you ever had your car hit by a tuba? It's not fun. Sorry, you hear that, RJ? Check in with 6E. Oh, there we go. Popping up for our JC. No Mr. G today, but so far at least he did post on Twitter. But I believe while I don't think it's supposed to directly hit his area, he is under a hurricane warning, I think. Back down. This is so choppy. We've been rangy. Tried to break out of the range twice there, really couldn't. Right back into this mess. And I allowed that mess to kind of chop me out. Three-minutes till the bell. 2-minute warning. It's about a minute and a half now. I take it your alarm's working, Ace, or your 2-minute warning alarm? Let's see if the open breaks us out of this chop. This chop is horrible. Scalper's paradise. Group popping up. What's 6E doing? Oop. 6E might be causing some plastic surgery for JC. Another blue candle here trying right before the bell. 30 seconds to go. Ding 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 ding. Pops up there again. Got a blue candle right before the bell. Just an absolute mess of a chart. 15's not much better. The 1 would have been playable, though. Look at that. Beautiful. Boom, 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 boom on the 1. Maybe I need to go back to the 1. Anywho, big move up. I did say this blue candle. Wait. 5. There we go. I did say this blue candle was going to work. And if you see here, I said it would need to get up to 90. And that's exactly where it just touched. So that would have worked for my 1 to 2. And wow, got up exactly there and then whoosh down. We're still choppy. My mama told me it's gonna chop around. It's Chop City, USA. Now it's starting to move on up. We're moving on up. There you go. You just got 3 different songs in the span of about 90 seconds. All right, now 15.092. Remember, we are at high a day. I think we're blew past yesterday's highs too, right? Didn't they say that earlier? No, yeah, we did. No, maybe not. We're not at high a day. What the heck am I thinking? I'm sorry. We were at low a day earlier, not high a day. High day is 15.147, so don't listen to anything I say. Yes, high day is 44.54. We were at lows a day, not high a day. Duh. Still rising up though. Trying to get up to 15.100. Ooh, big dump on crude there, down 40 ticks. Boom. Up, up, up we go. 15,099. ES up to 44.43. In the year 43.43. There's the break of 100 up to 104. Well outside the bands by like 13 points. Thinking we're going to see a pullback. It's continuing the run here, 111. Still going. Well, was. Up to 116. Dow made it up to 34,593. ES ended up 3.5, 3.75 points on that 5-minute candle. Still trying to move up. On the opening 5-minute candle, Nasdaq was up 33 points. Watching this 3-minute candle here, it's still trying to go. Don't want to jump in front of a rocket lifting off. Totally outside the bands. And we're pulling back now. Dow trying to get back up. It's touched its 100 EMA twice. Seeing a pullback. Got up to 118, we're down to 106. Dow strong though. Dow up to 34,600. So blew through that 584 so far. Very nice, JC. Excellent. Big pullback back under 100 here. Strong purple candle back down. Kind of retreating though. Dow up 34,611. ES right at about 44.44. Wow, look at the Dow running up to 624. ES and Q not showing as much strength there. It's showing some. Fighting around this 15,090. So FYI, that blue candle would have worked, although that wick would have been a problem there. And now it's deciding where it wants to go. Hey, catching a little bit is better than catching none. Unless it's Pokemon, then you gotta catch them all. Right back up. Nice, JC. Good that it's ripping and not at your face. All the way up now to 125. Dow all the way up to 647. ES up to 44.50. Wow, look at that candle. Boom. Excuse me. To 133. getting close. NQ's getting close to its overnight high. ES is getting close to its overnight high. NQ's cleared Friday's highs. All of a sudden I got a tickle in my throat. Rocketing to the moon. There's 140. What is overnight high on NQ? NQ 147 overnight high. Dow 672. ES 44.54 quarter. Just about there. NQ just touched it. Nope. Tick away from touching it. Now it broke it. ES broke its overnight high. Dow broke its overnight high. Wow. So now once again it's trying to gain back everything it lost in that big down day on Thursday. It's about halfway back. Up, up, and away. $684 so far, the high on the Dow, 44.56 on the ES, and Q up to 164.75. Nice job, RJ. Oh wow, I see 6E got within a tick of your target there, JC. Rooting for you on that one. is not news catalyst. Well, yeah, not news catalyst driven. We got the JOLTS report coming up at the top of the hour, as well as USCB consumer confidence. Excellent. Nice job on that, JC. Maybe finding a top here. It's kind of slowed down. Red candles on the 5-minute chart. Still green here on the 3, but it seems like it's lost some oomph. Ouch. Sorry, John. Ooh, that's been going up since that beautiful blue candle there. Nice bounce. That blue candle would have actually been a trigger for me on this 15-minute chart. Boom. Boom. That would have been an awesome trade. Copper starting to turn around a bit. Crude's trying to decide where it wants to go. Okay, now we're starting to see a fall here. We got up to 168. We've pulled back. Oh, never mind. There's a blue candle. I don't think it's going to sustain, but we'll see. If I don't jump right into a reversal. Yep, right back up. Back up. Do you love me forever? No, no, no. That is a blue candle. Even if it finishes a blue candle, I am not taking it. This candle is almost finishing. I mean, just starting outside of those bands. I'm not really. 175 new high. pulls back. Still not much weakness. Ultra bond. Wow, look at the ultra bond running. Copper's trying to bounce up. And wow, look at the fall in crude. See, remember we do have 2 bits of news coming up. They're considered red folders in less than 5. Sellers are trying to take over. Each time it's tried to come up, it keeps getting beaten down now. Beat down, beat down. And there's purple. Purple rain. Coming right back up. Three minutes till news. 2 minutes till news. Blue candle back up. Trying. So got beat. Sellers tried. Buyers are fighting them. Bulls versus bears. Pushing it back down. 10 seconds till news. Big move up. Start spreading the news. It liked the news. Bulls retake control up to 186 now. Dow up to 690. ES got up to 44.59. Jolt's job openings actual 8.827 million. The forecast was 9.5 million, so that was a miss. Consumer confidence 106.1. They forecast 116, so that was a huge miss. Huge. NQ try to claim 15,200 here. And there got it, 201. See, ooh, wow, good call, JC. Wow, big new highs on the Ultra Bond. That candle was almost a full point candle. And it might still end up being because it's still trying to go. Wow. That looked like on the 5. Yeah, beautiful move. Beautiful moves there on the Ultravine. All overall, nice blue candle there. Boom. Look at that sucker go. Crude oil still fall. Well, trying to bounce. Gold. Wow. So some assets really like this news. NQ still going as well up to 219. ES up to 44.65 now, and Dow up to 721. Yeah, that would have ripped your face off there, John. So from this blue candle here, I would have, if I got it here and just held, which I would have never done, but that would have been like 13 points. The big news, Apex doesn't seem to be running anything more than a 50% sale from now till the end of the month. So that means MightyOx is the best game in town. Their intraday and end of day drawdown accounts are on sale. 25K just 42 bucks. 50K $48, $64 for the 100K. Again, end of day drawdown accounts were just 48 bucks. Grab them while they're hot. Use code MOT25, MOT50, or MOT100 with the link posted by Nightbot or in the video description below. Get funded. Invest in yourself. Wow, that ended up being a 60-point candle. From 157 up to 219. We're now at 223. ES up 11 since the news. Dow up 43. Have a great one, JC. See you tomorrow. Everything just continues to go up. Look at that gold candle. Wow. Ultra Bond's still going. Crew doesn't care less. Oh wow, look at 6E. All the currencies and copper. So everything like the news. Even agriculture seems a little impressed. Wait, wait. You mean now you've totally got me confused, Ace. Your stops ahead. Uh, your stop is bigger than your entry. Your is 62.50 your target? I'm just, got confused. I'm just watching this rocket up. Oh, okay. I gotcha. I gotcha. I gotcha. Okay. Now I understand. Oh wow, I didn't realize we're up to 46. That's why. Okay, that makes more sense. Duh. So you're up like 4 points right now. Okay, I gotcha. Seeing a little bit of weakness here in NQ, and we finally found the top 244. Back. Back. Sorry about that. Okay. Red candle. 244s are high. ES still going. 44.65. Okay. Flirting with red here. ES showing me a purple candle. Oh, did you just get ticked out there, Ace? Okay. Oh, waiting for a trade. Not sure we're gonna get any more, but we still got about 50 minutes left on the stream. What did EMD do today? Oh yeah, look at that. You know, I'm starting to think I should just trade the EMD. Now, it looks as choppy as everything else, but you saw this big move down. This Look at that. That was like a perfect setup. Taking that long boom, 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 boom. Well, it happens sometimes. You try for the big things, and sometimes you get the big things, and sometimes you don't. That sounded kind of dirty. Mmm, cheese. Trying to get beaten down. Dow falling faster than the other two. Absolutely. Those kicks in the head can hurt. Now, look at this, coming right back up. And getting beaten right back down. Wow. Just boom. Up to 251. It's a 25-point candle. Pulling back a tad. Long. 2 micros. Oops. Not sure how I did that. Close that, please. Thank you. Stop is 27 points, it looks like. I'm in at 48, yeah. So my target should be way up here. I probably have nowhere near the right target right now. Maybe I do. Actually, hold on. I think I'm already at target. What should the target be for 1.2? No, I'm not. Okay, that was close. Move our target down to there. I got in late on this as usual by 4 points. Yes, I mean, YM continuing to run back up to 719. Come on, give me what I want here, guys. Come on. Give it to me, bye-bye. ES back up to 44.71. Sorry, Ace. Target hit. There we go. Now, this is different for me because before I'd be saying we are way too extended for me to take this blue candle. And I just decided to take this blue candle like my strategy says I should. And there we go. We hit. That was a, I don't know. I'm still down red on the day, but I'm not as red now. That was ended up being a 24-point winner. Of course, in my head, I'm thinking that if I had just done a mini on that, that'd be $480. But anyway, 24-point winner. Very happy with that. Up to 44.73 on the ES, and Q hit 274. I was interested. It hit 274. My target was 272. So so far I've lucked out by being very close. Down up to 740, pulling back to 726 right now. See what everything else is doing here. Copper, nice move up. Nice bounce there on crude. Gold leveled out for a little bit. Now trying to continue to go up. Matter of fact, another new high day. Look at that. Look at gold just go up to 1961. ah. Next time, get it delivered. is the coffee that you get from out better than you can that much better than you can make at home? So I'm happy that I finally got a winning trade today. And again, I between a couple of bad decisions and just a couple of things that just didn't go my way, even though I was following my plan. I'm only 1 out of 5 today. Actually, it says wait, that can't be right. Hold on, let me make sure. Wait, did I lose 5 trades? Hold on. Okay, that's right. That's right. Yeah, one of those I accidentally entered double position on. That's right. Okay, so yeah, I'm only 1 out of 5 today, but I'm only down 277. And one of those I should have only been half the amount, but I actually double clicked the button and duplicated my order. It's got to be the mangoes, and we're still going up to 280. ES up to 44.74. Dow up to 740. We're gonna hit 15,300 now. Look at this. So let's look at the Nasdaq here. This was that big move down Thursday, and now it's gained. What does it say? About 2/3 of that back. The high on Thursday was 418 the overnight Europe. We're at 280 now. Look at that. So it wasn't the mangoes. But no, seriously, Ace, that's an awesome answer. Our high was 288. ES got up to 44.74 half. See a little bit of a purple candle now on the Dow and on the ES. ES is just so hard to see up there. Oh wow, look at that. Bitcoin loved that news too. Look at Bitcoin running. Up near 27,000. EFD didn't care that. I mean, it liked it, but not as much as the other things. What did Russell do? Oh, Russell loved it too. Look at the Russell. Another blue candle trying to form. Although we're still red here on the ES and the Dow, so that's a little bit concerning. But look at this go. Back up to 290. I guess 290 is the new high, actually. I thought we could hit 290, but I guess thinking of 190 back there. Still going. 293. Hey, Ace, I'm enjoying seeing what you have to say. So drone as long as you want. I'm enjoying hearing about things that I certainly will never do. Put one back here right before this candle closes. Yeah, that little pullback could make me hesitate. Let's see if I should have got in this trade. Yeah, look at that. See, I got to stop that. That was a blue candle. There was no reason not to take it. It pulled back just a little bit at the end, but most candles do. Most candles have wicks, and they still work. I don't know why that one bothered me and this one didn't. But this would have been about 13-point stop, so the target was about 16 points. So we needed to get up to 15,307. Let's see if it gets it. It's at 305. Yep, there we go. So that would have been another winner. And I just hesitated because I saw it pulling back. I got to get it where I just take them. Boom, boom, boom. No question it. As we're now up to 309. ES all the way up to 44.78. Dow back up to 34,745. Just an amazing run today with, I mean, we did have the two news catalysts, but they weren't, it's not like they were one of the big four. Serious question, Ace. Is there sharks in that area, or? Yeah. Looks like we had a spammer on the Discord. Somebody took care of it. Yay. I don't know how to swim, and I don't think I'm ever going to learn. So no sharks on my bucket list. Look at this continuing to go up to 320. ES up to 44.81. I won't tell Ace it's gone 20 points since his entry. Dow up to 34,758. Sorry, Ace. I'm not trying to rub that in, really. I just it was an observation and it came out of my mouth. I'm sorry. That was wrong. Just like me missing this trade that obviously was perfect. Not missing it, deciding not to hit the button. It'll be interested to see whether or not that sustains or we see it turn around at some point today and give it all back. I mean, look at that can. That's to me, we're gonna see a reversal here somewhere. These are the hourly candles, and look at this. This is like 20 points above its band on the ES. It's 100 points above its band on the NQ. Up, looks like Grayscale won its case against the SEC for a spot Bitcoin ETF, and that's what's sending the crypto market running. Bitcoin up about $1,500 in the last 20 minutes. You think it's going to take a while to get back used to the altitude, Ace? Thank you for that, RJ. See you both tomorrow. I think we might have found a top. Let's see where we go. I don't know where. Wow, Dow really shot down. Shot down 78 points on that 5-minute candle. They should have to do that for every abandoned building. You took pictures of the abandoned buildings? Sure. ES pulling back. Not a fast pullback here. Not as fast as the Dow. Hmm? And maybe bouncing. There's definitely a fight around this 15,300 area, around the 44.75 area on ES, and the area Mr. RJ said for the Dow. It's trying to be a blue candle. Hmm. Their abandoned buildings are cooler than our abandoned buildings. Ace's abandoned building, well, not Ace's, but a picture he took in Puerto Rico of an abandoned building, all covered in green stuff. So it's like, at least it's an ecological abandoned building. Yep. Bears are taking control so far. Dow, not so much on the NQ yet. I mean, it came down with that candle there. There we go. Now we're starting to see some movement. It's still not like bursting down like the Dow did there a couple candles ago. Even the ES was a more solid candle. Something's still propping up the NQ. Was there news for what? I mean, the rise up today, or what's happening right this second? No, not that I see. Not that I'm. Uh, Only thing I see is Fed swap shift pricing of rate cut forward to June from July, whatever that means. Other than that, no, nothing that's coming across financial juice. I mean, everything's kind of, showing a little bit of weakness compared to what it was doing, but Dow's definitely showed the most. And Q's fighting to stay above 300. Oh, TJ trades. Yep, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. Eastern to 11 a.m. Eastern. I would do it Saturday too, but they refuse to open. The CME just refuses to open up for me. Those are some cool looking buildings, Ace. That one looks really old. Still hanging right on 15,300. About 10 minutes to go in the stream. Yep. And there come the bulls trying to rush back in. Look at that. What are we waiting for? I don't know. Wasn't really waiting for anything. I mean, this is a signal for me, but I'm not sure I want to take it. We're pretty high up. Our high was there 27. Oh, very new to futures? Like how new? And have you traded anything else before futures? Okay, I'm thinking about taking the trade off this engulfing candle here, but uh, that's my strategy. It's not necessarily the best strategy. And I lost my Tradovate window. Let's there we go. So we're long off that blue candle. Now this was our high of day, so we'll see if it makes it back up through high of day. If it doesn't, we're just gonna get out. I'm late again as usual. I got in 3 points late because I couldn't find my Tradovate window. Um, so what have you done? How have you been sim trading at all, or are you just, oh no? What stage of learning are you at this point, TJ? Binary. I believe I'm assuming by binary he meant options, but I'm not sure. Let's see. Now I got to totally make another ID called the Ace of Clubs. I don't know what RFX or HFX is. Oh, is that F? Oh wait, Forex. Okay, I got you. Um, so have you been sim trading futures at all? Have you decided on an asset you like? And if not, can I suggest the Dow, the YM? RJ gives me $5 every time I do that. No, I'm kidding. What have you been which assets have you played with yet? RJ, why the Dow? RJ is the Dow expert in the room. Very successful trader, trades his own money. Most days are green for him if he doesn't go out and get coffee when his move happens. First day. Wow. Okay. Oh, so RJ, if you feel like it, take it away of why you like trading the Dow. You definitely want to stay away from what I'm trading. I should stay away from what I'm trading. Is the NQ is very volatile for a new trader. Very volatile for everybody actually. But the Dow or the ES is a good place to start, especially since they have micros, so you can start with very little risk if you're going to use your own money. We're going to get out of this trade. That ended up being a loss. Did not go the way I'd hoped. Yeah, right. I just did two micros there, and so it was a 10-point loss on two micros. So that's only it was only like a $40 loss. If I had been using a regular mini on that, I would have lost 200 bucks. So I would definitely start with micros first. All the indices have a micro: the NQ, the ES, the Dow, the Russell. You also have micros on gold, crude, and copper. My only mistake on that trade was not getting out as soon as I saw this candle close. Okay. Well, you definitely have micros. So this is crude oil. Um, Normally it's $10 a tick. So like this candle here that you see here is 5 minute candle or 15 minute candle. Sorry, would be up $200. But on the micro, it's $1 a tick, so it'd be up $22. Same with gold, it's $1 a tick for the micro, or $10 a tick for the mini. And there goes RJ mentioning sand again. Yeah, about 100 points away from the sand there, RJ. So yeah, crude and gold. GC is the symbol for gold, or I'm sorry, MGC for the micro, and MCL for the micro crude oil. If you want to play with those instead of the indices, they're also good places to start until you're more comfortable and want to move up to the mini. Or some people just like trading micros all the time. They're all different assets. This is crude oil over here. This is natural gas over here. Over here, I have 3 of the 4 indices. Did you have a strategy on Forex that worked for you that you want to try and use on futures, or are you looking for like a whole new strategy as well? That's a good question, Ace. What charting software do you use, TJ? And sorry, I'm throwing a whole bunch of questions at you at once. Not trying to overwhelm you. Trading view? Good. That's what I'm using. So yeah, I mean, there's like, I mostly, like 90% of my trades come on NQ, but I watch everything, and there's like 30 futures assets that are worth watching, in my opinion. But mainly, you should stick to like 1 or 2 that you like. Um, but so yeah, this is the crude chart. You can see somewhat how it moves. 15-minute chart. What is the objective? You mean like, I'm not sure what you mean. I mean, I'm confused by that question. To make more profit than I lose. I mean, if you're asking my strategy, I could explain that, but if you already have a strategy, yeah. Okay, so this is the NQ. You can, just like Forex, you can go long or short. And just, if you're going long, you want the price to go up, and short, you want the price to go down. Uh, how long did you trade Forex? Okay, you did no strategy at all? Okay. How long did you trade Forex, and how did you do with it? I guess my next question is how long have you been trading total? You know, how long were you trading like the other stuff? Okay. All right. And how were you doing with Forex? Were you doing okay? Were you struggling there? Eh, that happened. Builder have a huge. So you're saying what do you? So wait, a huge downline? I'm okay. Now I'm confused, TJ. Like, you mean you refer people to prop firms, or what exactly do you mean? All right. Okay. Um, where to start if you're brand new? TJ, do you uh yeah, easy for me to say. Do you use Discord? Uh, join my Discord, and I could start you off with sending you some major learning materials about futures. Then we can go from there. I'm at the end of my day here on the stream, but I'm in the Discord all day. Um, and then we can start going from there. If that sounds good to you. But yeah, Nightbot just posted the Discord link just a little bit up there in the chat. Um, go ahead and join, and I'll find you there. I I use prop firms. I don't own a prop firm. I wish I owned a prop firm, but no, I just use prop firms to try and get funded. Are you Chucky? Okay, I'm going to call it a day. TJ, find me in the Discord, and then also hopefully you can tune in tomorrow. We'll talk some more then. Talk to you all later. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day. Ended up being a slightly down day, red day today. The total is like 300 something. Down 323 on the day. We'll get it back tomorrow. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye. If you enjoyed today's live stream, remember we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day.